Hello my dear viewers, once again welcome back to my channel. I really hope that you all are fine and good. So guys, in this video I am going to show you very beautiful free crochet table runner patterns. If you want a link for patterns, you will see a link in description and you will download thousands of patterns in this link. So guys, a crocheted table runners is a great way to add a little something extra to a dining table or coffee table. Crocheters like making table runners because they are smaller projects with an easy back and forth stitch pattern, similar to a crochet blanket. So guys, in this video you will see collection of some of the most popular crochet patterns for table runners. Any request, please let me know in comment section. I will reply on your comment and fulfill your request as soon as possible. I really hope that you will enjoy my video. So guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please do subscribe my channel and share my videos as much as you can. When you put a runner down on the table, you know you are about to some serious eating. Add a special homemade touch to the Thanksgiving table. So guys, you can easily make these table runners at home. So in my next video I will give you many other ideas and many other designs of table runners and all about crochet. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back soon with my another video with my another ideas. I really hope that you like my video. So guys, thank you so much. Take care of yourself. I will be back soon with my more videos with my more ideas. Thanks for watching my video. Take care of yourself guys. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do remember me in your prayers. God bless you guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. Allah Hafiz. Please let me know if you have any question and if you have any request, please comment me in comment section. Bye bye guys. Wait for my next video. Allah Hafiz.